Hey, how you doing? It's Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I just want to do a quick update on the sales that are going on today, Monday, in the area of radios, for instance, on Amazon. This is Amazon right here, and this radio right here is, let me click on it, the V115 by well, you know what the name of that company is. I can't pronounce it this morning. I highly recommend this radio as a starting shortwave radio. It's normally $25. It's now, with Prime, $11. $11. So check that out. Let me go back here and see what else I've sorted. I get so excited sometimes I can't talk. I've sorted on radios. And then I clicked over here, Cyber Monday deals. So these are all Cyber Monday deals. And I'm just going to look through them real quick. Here's some emergency radios. This one was $42. It's $22. Wow. Here's the one I just reviewed. It was $34.99. It is now on sale today for $27.99. Got some good deals here. See if there's any high-end radios on sale. I don't think so. Oh yeah. Oh, I might have to get this one. I've been looking at this one for quite a while. It's $10 off from $51.93 to $41.54. Boy, and you got to act quick because these are just for Monday, I believe. A lot of them on sale. So you see what I mean. This one, like I say, this is a good deal. This is a neat little radio. I've got that in my Amazon store. If you look in the description below each of my videos, you'll see a link to my store, and I've got this one in my store for sure. For sure. Let's look at one more page here. Yeah, I'm kind of interested in this one. I was hoping that Rectivus would send me this, but they didn't. They sent me a bunch of other ones. They didn't send me that one. There it is again. Pretty good buy. I'd like to test that. Maybe I'll order. That's interesting. Oh, come on. $16. A lot of radios on sale. It's a good time to get them. You've had them on your wish list. A good time to get them. So I'm going to continue to look at these for myself, but I suggest you take my link to my Amazon store and you can look at them there. And since you took the link, you can then go do the search like this one on radio and then click on, where'd it go? Right here, Cyber Monday deals, and you can see all the deals that are going on. And if you buy one, even though it's not in my store, since you came through my link, I get a small credit which I use to buy radios to review. That's how it works. Have a great day. Bye-bye.